All right, on this inequality, we have C, which represents some number divided by 2 is greater than 7. Some would look at this as a fraction and immediately shut down. But we don't have to do that. We just look at this and say, okay, here's our variable. What operation is happening with the variable? And we have division of 2. And how do we undo, or what's the inverse of dividing by 2? It would be multiplying by 2. The golden rule says what you do to one side, you must do to the other. Cancel out those inverse operations. Bring down your variable, your inequality symbol, and then simplify the right side, which would be 14. Last step would be to graph. I always draw my 3 lines. My answer goes in the center. Think about the 0. The 0 is on the left side, so 13 would go here, 15 would go here. I would make it an open circle because it is just a greater than, not a greater than or equal to. And I'm going to point it towards all numbers that are greater than 14, and that is here to the right. So I fill in a nice arrow there. How can I check to see if I'm correct? I can take some number off of my arrow. In this case, I'll take 15, and I can substitute that in. 15 for my variable divided by 2. Is it greater than 7? And 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. Is 7.5 greater than 7? The answer is yes. So my answer is correct.